Welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever imagined typing a sentence and having an AI create a full video, complete with perfectly synchronized sound? That's the holy grail of generative AI, but it's incredibly difficult to get right. Today, we're looking at a paper that introduces a new model called BridgeDiT, which takes a massive leap forward in solving this challenge. So, what makes this so hard? The researchers identified two major hurdles. First is the conditioning problem. If you give an AI a single prompt like "a strong blacksmith forcefully strikes a hammer," the video-generating part gets confused by sound-related words, and the audio-generating part gets confused by visual words. They're trying to process two sets of instructions at once, which degrades the quality. The second hurdle is the interaction problem. How do you get the video and audio generation processes to talk to each other so the timing is perfect? Simply making a video and then adding sound later often leads to delays and mismatched events. To solve the first problem, the researchers created a clever three-stage captioning system. First, a powerful AI watches an original video and writes a super detailed visual-only description. Then, a second AI reads that description and pulls out only the concepts that would make sound, like hammer and sparks. Finally, a third AI uses both the visual description and the sound tags to write a purely audio-only description. Now they have two clean, separate prompts, one for visuals and one for audio, eliminating the confusion. To solve the interaction problem, they designed the BridgeDiT architecture. Think of it as two specialized AI towers working in parallel, one for video and one for audio. The key innovation is a component they call dual cross-attention, which acts as a robust bridge between the two towers. This bridge allows for a symmetric, back-and-forth exchange of information throughout the creation process. This constant communication is what ensures the sound of a hammer strike happens at the exact visual moment of impact. And the results are seriously impressive. As you can see from these examples, the model generates high-fidelity video and audio that are precisely synchronized. In automatic evaluations against many other models, BridgeDiT came out on top in most categories, especially in audio quality and synchronization. Even more telling, in a user study, human evaluators rated the videos generated by BridgeDiT as the highest quality across all categories, including overall impression. So, let's recap the breakthroughs here. The key is to first disentangle the text prompts, giving the video AI and audio AI their own pure, specific instructions. Then, you connect them with a powerful, symmetrical bridge that allows them to constantly communicate and synchronize their work. This is a big deal because it moves us closer to AI that can generate truly holistic and believable multisensory experiences. In the future, this technology could power advanced creative tools, more realistic simulators, or even help generate entire movie scenes directly from a script.